Right here, Julie is chewing off the umbilical cord. What you think, Mama? You are the mama now. So, I realized after watching that there we go, we got some better focus. I did the last birth, the fourth kitten, live, and I realized that it was super choppy, really bad connection. So we've got 2 orange and 2 black. I'm really glad that she decided to give birth where I wanted her to give birth. James actually woke me up when she was in the middle of birthing the first one. And she was actually down here in her corner. We had extra towels, and this tote bucket that fits into her little nook all perfectly. There's her food and water. This is just right by our bed underneath our headboard. So you can see the butts. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, you want some loves too. Those are contractions. So, number 5 is on the way. It's about to get super graphic here. Baby, it's orange. It's not even halfway out, and I can already see it through the placenta. What? Yep. Come on. You can do it. Yep. Yep, just one more good push. Yep, there you go. There you go. The first seconds of life. Here, let me get these guys out of the way. I got it. Yeah, he just started moving. I wiped his face off.
And John was worried about you.
And that is the kitty eating the dangling kitty after birth. It's the outside, and then you kind of saw the inside. As you can see, like, this is the rag that I've been cleaning everybody up with, and there really isn't, like, much blood or anything. Just a little fluid. It's not dark red or anything. We were kind of concerned because she's a small kitty, but looks she had quite a litter.